What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making Cajun ranch fries. We hope y'all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get started. For this recipe, you will need French fries, Hidden Valley ranch seasoning, Creole seasoning, buttermilk, and mayonnaise. In a bowl, add 2/3 cups of mayonnaise, 2/3 cups of buttermilk, and 1 packet of ranch seasoning, and mix well. Next, fry your fries according to the directions on your package. Now it's time to assemble the fries. Lightly season the fries with Creole seasoning, drizzle ranch on top, and add more Creole seasoning. And there you have it, Cajun ranch fries. Once again, we hope y'all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. And remember to tell everybody you know, them MFers be cooking.